Hi, I'm Allison Hooper of Vermont Butter Cheese Creamery. Welcome to my farm kitchen. Today, we're going to make a recipe with Fromage Blanc, Fromage Blanc Ice Milk. Now let me tell you about this fabulous product. When I lived in France as a college student, I ate this every day, and I still do. It's a cheese made with skimmed cow's milk, and it's drained curd, so it's kind of the French answer to yogurt, and it's delicious. Nice and lactic, can be used in many things, but I like it every day with a little bit of honey or maple syrup because we're here in Vermont. So we'll start with the Fromage Blanc. As you can see, it's not as thick as cream cheese, but it's certainly thicker than sour cream. So we're going to put this in the mixing bowl. Then we're going to add the honey. We need 1/4 cup. And one nifty little tip is that if you line your measuring cup with some oil or spray, you can just dip that measuring cup into the honey and it will pour out of your cup easily. And 1/2 cup of whole milk. Pinch of salt. Starts to get a little bit frothy when you aerate it a little bit, which will make the dessert nice and light, almost like a mousse. So now we're going to pour this mixture into these cute little jam jars, not filling them to the top. Off to the freezer. We're going to let it chill for about 2 hours and it'll be ready. So we've taken the frozen ice milk out of the freezer, and if you take it out of the freezer just a little bit early, it'll temper the ice milk a little bit and make it a little softer, and that's fine too. And we're going to spoon a small amount of jam, the jam of your choice, on the top, but we're adding just enough jam in here to cover the bottom. So now you see you have a perfect dessert, nice and fresh. Can you imagine that this Fromage Blanc in a container, there are only 120 calories and 18 grams of protein? How can that be? It's so good. Thanks for joining me today, and visit us at our creamery in Websterville, Vermont, or online at vermontcreamery.com.